My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 BMW 4 Series. This vehicle has done 37,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel, we can see that we have cruise control and voice control as a feature. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving over onto the touchscreen, we can see that we have settings, vehicle information, connected drive, contacts, navigation, telephone, radio, and multimedia. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. We have heated seats on either side. And we're able to choose from a variation of different driving modes. So we have Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.